What to do when this happens?
So I have this kind of rope or belt I'm gonna use as a help. We have to do it that way that it tightens that direction. So it will be this way. So like this one. Now it's tightening in the direction we are going to roll on. Let's see what's going to happen. But it went nice. You have to be careful that this stem won't hit you in the end when it's falling. And here you can see how the belly is working. Now this was the belly and it was rolling on like this.